Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Saurav Civil Service Classes, and today we have start first chapter of class 9th NCERT book of geography, and the chapter is India's size and location. In this chapter we have learned about the location of India, that what is the exact location and position of India on the earth with reference to longitude and latitude, and the extension of mainland at various degree of latitude and longitude, and the direction, that is north, south, east, west, from which of the direction they exact locate. And the next is size of India, that how much total land surface area and total land surface percentage they occupied with respect to world. After knowing all these, you can imagine that how India is much time bigger than other small country of the world, and that become very interesting to know about India. And the next topic is India and the world. In this topic we have learned about the how India is connected to other parts of the world in sense of culture, heritage, and trade. So this influenced India in very different manner, and India civilization become very popular in the world. Moving to next topic, India's neighbor. In this topic we also study about the neighboring country of India, that in which direction which country is our neighboring country, and how India boundary is drawn from this country. And now moving forward to start our topic, location of India. For better understanding, look at the figure. Imagine this is a globe. Globe is a true model of Earth, and a needle is fixed through the globe in a tilt manner called its axis. Two points on globe through which the needle passes are called two poles, North Pole and South Pole. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. There are numbers of imaginary line passes on globe in verticals and in horizontal order. The horizontal imaginary line called latitude, and the vertical imaginary line called longitude. This is the horizontal imaginary line, and it is latitude, and this is a vertical imaginary line and it is called longitude. There are numbers of latitude on earth like this, and in same order there is numbers of longitude. The line which divide our earth into equal halves in northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere is called equator. and the latitudes are measured in degree, and the equator is 0 degree latitude. Moving forward, the value of degrees increased, that is 15 degree north, because this part is northern hemisphere, so we indicate this degree in symbol north. And so on. And moving below, the in southern hemisphere, the value of degree also increase, and we indicate this degree in south symbol. So we can define latitude that all the parallel circle from equator to up to the pole are called parallels of latitude. And like equator, the prime meridian is also a divide India into two parts, in eastern hemisphere and in western hemisphere, and the distance between them are measured in degree of longitude, like 15 degree east, 30 degree east, and so on. And like this here is also measured in degree, that 15 degree west, 30 degree west. So we can define longitude, the imaginary line of reference running from north pole to south pole are called meridians of longitude. And according to map, our India is located in northern hemisphere in this region. So this is the positional and directional location of India. For better understanding, see this. This is the class 9th NCERT book of geography, and this is globe. There are 7 continents in the world and 4 oceans. The continent is Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, North America, Australia, and Antarctica. And the Asia is the largest continent of the world, and our country India is belong to this continent. And our country India is lying in northern hemisphere of the world. And the ocean and the 4 oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and the another is Arctic Ocean, which is presented here. And I hope you all have understand the position of India on globe. And now come to the location of India according to latitude extent and longitude extent. This is the map of India, and the latitudinal extent 37 degree 6 minute north, the longitudinal extent 37 degree 6 minute north, and we can call it northernmost latitude is 37 degree 6 minute north to 8 degree 4 minute southernmost latitude. This is the southernmost mainland extent latitude is 8 degree 4 minute north southernmost latitude 8 degree 4 minute north. Now the longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minute east. This is the westernmost longitude. (68 degree 7 minute east) to east is 97 degree 25 minutes 97 degree to 25 minute east. This is easternmost longitude. (97 degree 25 minute east). Now this is the Tropic of Cancer, which divide India into two parts and called a Tropic of Cancer. Latitudinal extent is 23 degree 30 minutes north, and east to west breadth of India is 2933 kilometer. East to west 2933 kilometer, and the north to south length is 3214 kilometer. North to south 3214 kilometer. The northernmost point is Indra Kool, and southernmost is Kanyakumari. This. And the standard time zone passes through Mirzapur at Uttar Pradesh, and their longitude value is 82 degree 30 minutes east. 82 degree 30 minutes This is the central meridian. Central meridian or standard time zone. So this is overall longitudinal and latitudinal extent of India. I revised it again. The latitudinal extent in north is 37 degree 6 minutes north, and in south the latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4 minutes north, and in the longitudinal extent in west is 68 degree 7 minutes east, and in east the longitudinal extent is 97 degree 25 minutes east. The east to west breadth of India is 2933 kilometer, and from north to south extent of India is 3214 kilometer, and the Tropic of Cancer passes through India, which divide India in two parts, and their latitudinal extent is 23 degree 30 minutes north, and the central meridian or standard time zone is passes through Mirzapur at Uttar Pradesh, and their longitudinal extent is 82 degree 30 minutes east. So this is the overall exact location of India on the map, and these longitude and latitudinal imaginary lines which drawn on map or globe, which helps to know about the exact location of a specific point on Earth's surface, and we know about this all and understand the longitude and latitudinal value in clear way. Now come to the notes. India is very vast country, that India is very big country, and it belong to Asia continent, and it is the largest continent of the world, as I told you earlier. India is lying in the northern hemisphere. Mainland extends from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude and 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. The Tropic of Cancer, which latitudinal extent is 23 degree 30 minutes north, which divide India into two equal parts. And beside mainland, India possesses island. This is very important thing. The southeast island is Andaman and Nicobar Island in Bay of Bengal, and to southwest island is Lakshmi Island in Arabian Sea. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of Andaman and Nicobar is 6 degree 45 minutes north to 13 degree 45 minutes north. This is a latitudinal value. And 92 degree 8 minutes east to 94 degree 15 minutes east, it is the longitudinal value. Same as the longitudinal or latitudinal value of Lakshmi Island is 8 degree north to 12 degree 20 minutes north, it is a latitudinal value. And 71 degree 45 minutes east to 74 degree east, it is the longitudinal value of Lakshmi Island. See on the map, this is the Bay of Bengal, and this is Arabian Sea. This is the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island is made of by it is an archaeology of the small island and made a Andaman and Nicobar Island. And this is a Lakshmi Island. This is also made of a small archaeology island. In southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries. One is Sri Lanka and another is Maldives. Look at the map. In northwest, one is neighbor country is Pakistan, and another is Afghanistan, and in north one is China, second is Nepal, and third is Bhutan, and in east one is Myanmar, and second is Bangladesh, and in southern island country across the seas, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Sri Lanka, separated by a narrow channel of sea, Palk Strait, and Gulf of Mannar. In Palk Strait separates India from Sri Lanka, and it is the connecting strait between India and Sri Lanka. Maldives are situated to south of Lakshmi Island. Maldives Island country is situated south of the Lakshmi Island, and India has a strong geographical and historical link with her neighbors country. India not from till date from ruler to coming of British Portugal, the strong connection between India to other country and the neighboring country is very historical strong, and it's make India a very unique and incredible India among all of the country. Thank you, and we will meet in next class. And together it is called a Lakshadweep Island. The land mass area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer, and 2.4% total land surface area of the world, and that's why the India is 13 times much larger as compared to Great Britain. And many of the Indian states are larger than several countries of the world. The land boundary of India is the main land boundary of India is from here to here. This land main land boundary including Andaman and Nicobar Island. Only mainland is 15,200 kilometer mainland boundary, and the coastline boundary including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island is 7,516.6 kilometer, and it is the seventh largest country of the world. There is time lag of 2 hours between Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, because the sun ray first fall on Arunachal Pradesh, and after 2 hours the sun ray reaches to Gujarat. For adjusting the time, that's why the standard meridian of India passing 82 degree 30 minutes east Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard time for whole country, because the lag of 2 hours makes a different time in our country for different in a different state, and it's create difficult for adjusting time. So the standard time is taken for the whole country for adjust the same time in whole country of whole state of India. And for whole world, like other country including, we take prime meridian which passes through Greenwich at London, taken as whole country of a whole continent of the world, taken for time adjusting zone. North-south extent from Indra-Kol in Kashmir to Kanyakumari is 3214 km. This extent Indra-Kol to Kanyakumari is 3214 km, and east-west extent from Rann of Kutch to Arunachal Pradesh is 2933 km. From Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh is 2933 km. Now the next topic is in India and the world. Asia gives southward extension of the India into Asian continent. See, this is the Asian continent, and this is the north extension of Asia continent, and this is the south extension of Asia continent, and India is the south extension of Asia continent. India land mass has central location between East and West Asia. Indian Ocean provides close contact with East Africa, Southwest and Southeast Asian countries, and the countries of Europe in the western side. See, this is the Indian Ocean, and this provide easily trade with other country of the other continent, and with the Asian country, like through sea, it's make easier to the trade with other country of the other continent, and also with the country of the Asia. By this contact, it makes easier to trade with other countries. In north of India, land route is older than sea route due to travelers of that time use passes along the mountain to travel other countries. During the rural period, the sea route is not developed, or they don't know the idea of sea route. Sea route come to in idea since when the Portugal British come to India, but before the the ruler time the traveler use passes for traveling to other country, like in Jammu Kashmir, Mintak Pass, Parpik Pass, Banihal Pass, and in Himachal Pradesh, Baralacha Pass, Devsa Pass, Rohtang Pass, and in Sikkim, Nathula Pass, and Uttarakhand, Lipulik Pass, and in Arunachal Pradesh, Bomdila Pass, Dihang Pass, and so many passes are in northern part in Himalaya range, and the travelers are used these passes for travel one country to another country. And after coming the Portugal and British, the sea route developed, and from since the sea route developed for trading the commercial product since till date. Now the idea of different form of architecture, Ramayana, Upanishad, and so on can be seen in different part of the country. When we go other part of the country or any country, we can see, we can feel also the small in a small range this Ramayana, the Upanishad, the architecture of India. From seeing that, we can say that the trade or the relationship with other countries at that time is also existed. So all these things made India to connect to other country and trade with other country and make relation strong with other country. Now India's neighbors. India share its land boundary with in north-west Pakistan and Afghanistan country, in north China, Nepal and Bhutan countries, in east Myanmar and Bangladesh country, and in southern neighbor country